here guys sa General Trias LTO. This is bagong-bago. August pa lang sila nag-start dito. Ayan si Kuya. So I'm here. Buhatin ng driver's license. Buhatin ng driver's license. Good. So this is it. Lord, guide us. Lord, guide me, Lord. Makuha yung driver's license for today. Amoy pintura pa siya. Wala pang katao-tao. Tapos aircon pa siya guys. Unlike sa ibang LTO na medyo crowded na. So dito natin pinapunta tayo dito sa cashier. And we're good na with our requirements para makapag-exam tayo here in General Trias, Cavite. Ayan. So, yung requirements pala nila is the PDC, which is the 8 hours practical driving course. And then aside from that, medical exam. And then, of course, payment for the PDC. And then the student permit or student license na. So, yun lang. Tatlo lang yung requirements nila after kasama yung payment. So, that's it. Kahit yung valid ID, hindi na nila kinuha. Nagdala ko ng passport just to make sure. But that's it, guys. So, let's see. Ayan. So, after nyan, dito tatawagin tayo para sa photoshoot. Photoshoot tayo, guys. So, yung ano pala, yung examination, 100 pesos lang siya. So, super. Very good. Ang CR ng General Trias. Bagong-bago. May mga pa-emi pa sila. See? Grabe, oh. Perfect. May bidet. Shashing. This is the receipt, guys, for the exam. This is the payment. Only 100 pesos. And later, magbabayad ulit tayo ng sasakyan. And then, of course, the driver's license as well. Oh my God, guys. So, we're still here in General Trias LTO. And sad to say, we failed. 47/60. So, isa na lang daw. Pasado na dapat ako. But anyways, lahat naman kami nang nag-exam today. Failed talaga. Ewan ko ba't failed kaming lahat. Yung isa kong kasabayan, 44 naman siya. I don't know why. Maybe because of the regulatory sign, which is need talaga mag-aral bago mag-exam. So maybe by Monday babalik tayo dito, and then let's see if makakapasa na tayo. Sana makapasa tayo, guys, but you know, everything happens for a reason, so that's okay. Second time, guys. Sana po masana. Another 100 for the exam. So we're here in General Trias LTO. So wish me luck, guys. Sana makapasa tayo this time. I just wanna magkaroon ng driver's license. This is it, guys. Back to exam. Yes, guys, we're here. So good luck. Again. So maghahanap tayo ng
natin yung susunod. Wala ata. Aray. Ha? Ah, hindi yung susi. Okay, very good. Pero handbrake, foot brake. Kasi yung sa init. Reverse. Hello everyone! So finally, we got our temporary driver's license. So finally guys, nakuha na natin yung lisensya natin. Grabe. Yung exam, actually, 49 ako. So parang 2 points lang ang natagdag. Kasi since na-failed tayo. But at least, we passed the exam. So I'm really excited na mag-drive sa car namin and hindi na sa e-bike kasi student license lang tayo before, but right now we already have our driver's license. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you Lord for everything. So tips pala guys dito, yung rental ng car if you wanted to do the practical driving exam nila is 350, but through GCash, that's why it's 370. And then in regards with our driver's license itself, nasa 600, and then the exam is 100 pesos. So for a total of 1,100 or yeah, 1,000 something like that. But anyways, everything is good now, and we're going home. Thank you Lord. Grabe, akala ko kasi fail na naman ako guys.